This thing's fucking hot. Cheating ruins families, relationships, and honestly, your own inner peace. I've been on the wrong side of it, and I've learned a lot of hard lessons. So I'm giving you 2 things to how to spot cheating behavior without going crazy, and how to stop yourself from going into that mindset. I know it's easy. You gotta remember, your brain will automatically make sense out of anything for you. So if you tell it this, it's gonna find a way to make that path happen in your brain. So let's get to it. Most cheating starts before the actual cheating happens. It happens from an emotional break, distance, hiding things, or seeking validation elsewhere. What? It's okay, just wait. The signs show up in behavior long before anything physically ever happens. Secretive phone behavior, things being deleted. Maybe they're using the Signal app and they have no conversations in it. If you haven't checked out Signal, I would check it out. We use that for work, but for people that don't have any reason to use it, why do they have it? Set an emotional distance, being overly defensive. When someone's behavior drastically changes, that's a good cue. Open conversations early. Don't trust words, trust actions. And don't ignore your intuition, your gut. Usually when something's being triggered and flagged, that is a dang good indicator that something's being flagged. Cheating doesn't fix anything. It actually makes it worse. You don't just hurt your partner, you hurt your kids. You hurt who you are. You hurt any positive future you may have. Staying loyal teaches your kids what commitment is. It teaches them that you can't just quit. When you cheat, you lose respect for yourself. When you stay and you put genuine effort, you grow. Set boundaries. Remove people you don't need to have in your life. Go through your friends and find out who just doesn't need to be there. Why do you have more female friends than guy friends? Have a reason why you have everybody on your phone. And then go through it and edit that out. Talk through problems early. Sheltering it doesn't do any good. Check your coping skills. Don't run when things are hard. Stay close to people that want to see your relationship win. That's an important one. A lot of people don't really want to see you win, and they actually internally want to see you fail because they know that they've messed up somewhere down their life. So don't keep those people close to you. Keep people that actually have no negatives in their own life. I found it sad because when I was going through it, I had a lot of people tell me to leave my wife, and I should have surrounded myself with people that kept a more positive note, as you should. Keep around people that actually want to see you guys succeed and be together. I'll share a few little tips on how you can catch a cheater. First thing you want to check, if they've gone on a trip recently and you feel kind of fishy on what they've been doing while they're gone, you can re-download the most recent iCloud backing. That will have things on it. Check it out. Second thing, go through their notes. What do they have hidden in their note? You'd be surprised how many people put things in their notes on their phone. Always remember, the first one is a mistake. Second time is intention. It's not an intention what they're doing. It's not a mistake what they're doing. They're intentionally trying to hurt you. Stay away from that. Third thing, check their phone for a second phone number attached to it. You can have 2 phone numbers on one SIM card now. Phones up. Get in that phone bill. You guys have a good one. Later. Out.